Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the main purpose of index rotation in Amazon Opensearch service? To encrypt data. To create user permissions. To migrate data between regions. To manage data retention and improve performance. Index rotation helps manage data retention and improve performance by periodically creating new indices. How can you integrate Amazon Opensearch service with other AWS services? Amazon S3 for cost-effective data storage. Amazon CloudWatch for log and metric monitoring. All of the above. Amazon Kinesis for real-time data ingestion. Opensearch integrates with various AWS services, Kinesis for streaming data. Which of the following is not a feature of Amazon Opensearch service? Offers data encryption at rest and in transit. Enables full-text search. Supports only SQL databases. Provides automatic data backups. Amazon Opensearch service supports a variety of database types, not limited to SQL databases. Which type of storage does Amazon Opensearch service use? EBS volumes. Local instance storage. Amazon Glacier. Amazon S3. Amazon Opensearch service uses EBS volumes for data storage. What is the purpose of Amazon Opensearch service snapshots? To improve search speed. To enhance encryption. To increase data availability. To back up and restore data. Snapshots are used to back up and restore data in Amazon Opensearch service. Which of the following is a benefit of using Amazon Opensearch service? Limited to AWS environment only. Managed service with operational overhead handled by AWS. Fixed performance regardless of workload. Requires manual software updates. Amazon Opensearch service is a managed service, which means AWS handles operational overhead. What is a key advantage of using Amazon Opensearch service for search workloads? Built-in antivirus protection. Unlimited data storage. No need for backups. Low latency and high throughput. Amazon Opensearch service offers low latency and high throughput, ideal for search workloads. How does Amazon Opensearch service ensure high availability? Using only on-demand instances. By using a single AZ deployment. By storing data in local servers only. Through multi-AZ deployments. Multi-AZ deployments ensure high availability and data redundancy across different availability zones. Which of the following is a primary benefit of using Amazon Opensearch service? Guaranteed fixed costs. On-premises deployment. Limited to small datasets. Scalability without manual intervention. Amazon Opensearch service allows automatic scaling to handle varying data loads. What is the document type indexing limit per hour for a single shard in AWS Opensearch service? 5,000 documents. 20,000 documents. 50,000 documents. 100,000 documents. The exact indexing limit depends on various factors, but AWS Opensearch service generally targets around 20,000 documents per shard per hour. Which protocol is used by Amazon Opensearch service to communicate with clients? HTTPS, SMTP, IMAP, FTP. Amazon Opensearch service uses HTTPS to securely communicate with clients. Which AWS service can be used to monitor Amazon Opensearch service? AWS Lambda, Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon RDS, Amazon S3. Amazon CloudWatch can be used to monitor metrics and set alarms for Amazon Opensearch service. How does Amazon Opensearch service handle horizontal scaling? By automatically adding new nodes as data volume increases. By scaling compute resources vertically on existing nodes. By partitioning data across multiple availability zones. By manually adding or removing nodes to the cluster. Opensearch automatically scales horizontally by adding new nodes to the cluster as data volume grows. Which AWS service can be used to transfer large amounts of data to Amazon Opensearch service? AWS Snowball, Amazon RDS, Amazon Macy, AWS Backup. AWS Snowball is used to transfer large amounts of data into Amazon Opensearch service. How can you control access to an Amazon Opensearch service domain? Enabling S3 bucket policies. Using IAM policies. By setting passwords. Using security groups only. IAM policies are used to control access to an Amazon Opensearch service domain. What are some of the data types that Amazon Opensearch service can ingest? CSV files. JSON documents. All of the above. Log files. Opensearch supports a variety of data formats including JSON. What does the term shard refer to in Amazon Opensearch service? A subset of data within a domain. An access key. A backup file. A user session. In Amazon Opensearch service, a shard is a subset of data within a domain, used to distribute the data across nodes. Which tool can be used for data ingestion in Amazon Opensearch service? Logstash, Amazon SageMaker, AWS Glue, Amazon Athena. Logstash is commonly used for data ingestion into Amazon Opensearch service. How can you integrate AWS Opensearch service with AWS Kibana for data visualization? There is no direct integration with Kibana. Enable a Kibana plugin for AWS Opensearch service. Configure a separate Kibana instance on Amazon EC2. Use a dedicated Kibana instance within the service. AWS Opensearch service integrates seamlessly with Kibana, allowing you to visualize your search results through intuitive dashboards and charts. What visualization tool is commonly used to analyze data stored in Amazon Opensearch service? Amazon CloudTrail, Amazon QuickSight, Kibana, Amazon Redshift. Kibana is the go-to visualization tool for Opensearch. Which security feature is not offered by Amazon Opensearch service? Automatic threat detection and incident response. Data encryption at rest and in transit. Auditing capabilities to track user activity. Role-based access control for granular access management. Opensearch relies on IAM for user authentication and RBAC for access control. It offers encryption but does not provide built-in threat detection. How can you secure access to your Amazon Opensearch service domain? Only using SSH keys. Using IAM policies and resource-based policies. By setting up a VPN. By enabling multi-factor authentication only. You can secure access to your domain using IAM policies and resource-based policies. Which of the following best describes data durability in Amazon Opensearch service? Data is stored temporarily. Data is replicated across multiple nodes. Data is stored only on the master node. Data is backed up daily to Amazon S3. Data durability is achieved by replicating data across multiple nodes. What is the default retention period for automated snapshots in Amazon Opensearch service? 60 days. 30 days. 14 days. 7 days. The default retention period for automated snapshots in Amazon Opensearch service is 14 days. Which instance types are supported by Amazon Opensearch service? GPU instances. General purpose, compute optimized, and memory optimized. T2 instances only. Cold storage instances. Amazon Opensearch service supports a variety of instance types including general purpose, compute optimized, and memory optimized. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.